Okay, I'm going to be moving fast, so I need you to stick with me. Okay, first you're going to need a bundle of hair, obviously. You need a dim brush to comb the curls out, the applicator brush, a red toe comb, a door, the number 68 crimson. You need 30 volume developer, as well as some bleaching powder, BW2, some aluminum foil to wrap the hair up in so it can process, and obviously you need gloves, all right? All right, so next I'm just going to be brushing the hair out because I feel like the bleach gets on the hair better when it's brushed out. So just brush that out real good. And then you're going to prep it for the bleaching process. That's my OCD. Pay that no mind. So now I'm just going to be showing you how I applied the bleach to the hair. Starting from the ends to the roots. Try not to tangle and mush the hair together as I did because I had to go back and comb it out. Yeah, but I'm going to just let y'all watch the video and just watch it until, something else come up and I'll be there to explain, okay? Okay, so now you want to wrap the hair up in the aluminum foil so it can begin to process and treat the heat. So just leave that put. And after about 25 minutes, then I wash the hair out. All right, so once you rinse the hair out thoroughly, make sure you do a nice up and down motion, rinsing the hair out good with warm water. Don't mush the hair up, don't ball it up. Just, nice up and down motions like I said before. And after you done rinsing the hair out, you need to have a nice neutralizing shampoo. It could be any type of brand, but you definitely want to make sure you have the neutralizing shampoo because you have to stop the bleaching process. So I know I didn't say that in the beginning, that's what you need, but you do need that. I will, tell you, I forgot to tell you all that. So I'm going to just let you guys watch, me washing the bundle out or whatever, washing the bleach out, and then shampooing the hair. Definitely watch the motions. Like I said, you don't want to tangle the hair up. You don't want to ball it up because it will be tangled and you would have to comb it out, and you don't want to comb it out serious, do no serious detangling if you really don't have to. If you can avoid that, then do that. But I'm going to just let you watch the video and then I'll come back when we do something else. Okay. Alright, so to be honest, I really did not like the way the hair came out. So I went on and, made another bleach mixture with the developer and the powder bleach, and I went on and bleached the middle of the hair because the hair was really thick, so it definitely needed another coat of bleach. But the crazy part was it did not change the integrity of the hair. The hair still stayed nice and curly and everything. It kept its wave pattern. This was water wave also. I think it was 20 inches, no, 22 inches. Alright, so basically I'm just going to apply the bleach, to the front and to the back of that part, so it can lighten up. And then I was going to apply a little bit more bleach down at the bottom once it had set for a little bit. I was doing a lot, when I was trying to bleach this hair, so that's why I just came out like it did, but not for nothing. The principles is still the same, you can still learn how to bleach your bundles, like that, but just be more, attentive, you know what I'm saying, to your work. But it came out like this and I was very satisfied with it. And now I'm going to begin the dyeing process. So this is the color crimson, number 68 in the Adore collection. And I just went on and painted the life out of their hair. So because like I said, I was being a little bit careless. I had to go and detangle the hair, with my dim brush, but it's okay because it really allowed the color to get on the hair, which is what I wanted anyway. So you comb from the ends to the roots. Do not ever just, snatch them. You're just ripping the hair out of the weft. So again, from the ends to the roots. So once you're done applying all the color to the hair, you're going to wrap it up. Some people put their hair in bags and stuff like that. I mean, whatever you have, wrap it up And I let it process for like an hour. So then you're going to rinse the hair out thoroughly, and you're going to shampoo the hair. All right, you're going to make sure you condition the hair. This is a very important part. Seeing as though you bleach the hair, you want to put some integrity big into the hair. And these are my results. After I condition and rinse the hair, like, it really came out popping. Like, I really wanted to hot fire in your red, and I believe that's what I had. It came out nice. I hope y'all like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. All right. Thank y'all for watching. Love you.